Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Google Assistant on your headphones LG Tone 3 Fit. You have to start by opening the application and now scroll down. Right here we have touch function, so click on detailed settings. And now you should decide you want to use the left one or right one earbud. And then you should decide you want to use single press, double press or triple press. Now, I'm going to use the left one and single press, but it's the same for the double press and triple press. Click on it and click on voice command. Confirm. It's really important to click confirm. Now, if I press one time on my left earbud, the touches area is located right here. If I press one time, I will call Google Assistant, so I should put it to my ear and I will show it to you that it works. Now I press one time, and as you can see, Google Assistant is awake. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!